welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another review. This time around, I got myself a gimbal for the first time. I haven't had one before, so I'm gonna need it for a couple of video gigs that I have coming up soon. And it's gonna be a bit of a learning process for me as well, because I've never used one for my camera as well. So, but it should be good anyway. So with that said, what we're gonna be looking at today is gonna be the Weebill 3E. It's a professional camera stabilizer from a company called June. From what I've seen, good reviews. Company's great. It's been doing this for a while. So yeah, they keep pushing the benchmark higher, higher, higher. So yeah, with that said, let's get it. All right. Let's see what's inside. So I've already cut that obviously open. See if I can open this box. Let's see, what do we get? What do we get inside here? There we are. Are we in? I must say, packaging is very nice. Solid box. Oh, what is that? What do we get here? Whoa, that's cool. Well, there's something in here. Cool. Nothing else in the box. So what do we have? We have user guide. Okay, this is like a QR code for the user guides. And your instructions, I'm presuming. Oh, sorry, disclaimer and warnings, that's what it is. There you go. So we'll leave that on the side for them. All right, first impressions. Box, very nice. Compact. It feels like styrofoam, but really, really good quality. June imprinted here. Ta-da! And that's what you get inside. So let's see if I can pull up some stats as well, so we know what we're talking about a little bit. So at the moment, excuse me. At the moment, June has this gimbal on the website for £199. Is discounted with a 20% discount, I think. Is down from $249, which is a steal. You know, even at $249, I think it would be great. But as it is now, it's $199 off them directly for them. You get so specs wise, that has a battery capacity of 2,600 milliamps. Battery runtime is lasting 16 hours. Apparently it can fully charge. Charging time, it says there, at 2 hours and 46 minutes. And in here we should be getting the gimbal. There's a quick release plate, tripod, and some cabling, which is USBs. We're gonna find out soon enough. But this is cool. I really, really like the casing. It looks very, very pro, very solid. Compatible with almost major camera brands like Sony, Nikon, Canon, Panasonic, Fujifilm, Zcam, Sigma as well. On top of that, comparison wise, so this is apparently so I've never used the gimbal before, but apparently this is the younger brother, let's say, to the Weebill 3S. It's I'm looking at the stats now on the screen, so it's a little bit lighter than it. So this comes out like 1,010 grams, so like just a kilo weight, as opposed to 1,054 for the other one. This has a single layer quick release, can charge 12 volts, so on and so forth. Let's see what do we have. All right, so first impressions, of course, yeah, amazing. Ooh, that feels weighty. Nice. You can tell quality is superb, must say. So metal arms, quick release plates, rubbery handles. Apparently that's an OLED screen. We're gonna see. I don't know if it has any juice inside it, but we're gonna find out soon enough. So the little joystick here to maneuver the thing, record button. I think that's the mode. We got a power button here. Let's see if I can show that. Where are we? So power button there and a menu button there. Switches, there's a USB port there, C. There's a lock on underneath and a lock off. Front button. And what do we have here on this side? And another lock on, lock off here. Now, sorry, and another roller like switch here. So that's with that. We have our quick release plates. So I'm presuming we can slide that on and then we just slide our camera on and off. Now the plan for that is to use it. Obviously we have the tripod. Tripod feels nice and it's rubbery made, but nicely weighted. Can open all the way up. Very nice, very nice. And the cables, presumably charging cables or connectivity cables. We're gonna find out soon enough. So we get two. Let's screw that as well. So we get an Allen key. We get a quarter screw there. Is that the Allen key? Yeah, Allen key goes into that. We get a USB-A to USB-C cable. And we get a USB-C to USB-C cable. Not sure this for charging, connecting the camera to the gimbal itself, because you got a USB-C port. Let's see. Right, I must say. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. Sorry, as I was saying, sorry, my bad. So the plan is to use that with my A7 IV. So I wanted to use that with A7. So apparently that can take up to 3 kilos worth of setup. That current setup, because that's the A7 IV with the G Master 35mm, that comes up to 1.5, 1.6 with a cage as well. So yeah, the plan is to use that on top of that, and apparently it should be pretty easy, pretty comfortable for it. The motor should be able to manage it. I just need to work out how to attach the plate. I might have to buy a quick release plate as well, so it'll be easy to put it on and off. But yeah, in a quick nutshell, guys, this is it. I must say it looks amazing in the box, and I'm very, very happy with it. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted with some actual real life review after I use it for a little bit. But yeah, with that said, guys, thank you very much, and then we will see you on to the next one. Take care.